if you go back and pause it there, there's a selection of stuff that I'm stamping on and through. These are an idea I had a while ago, but I haven't got round to filming it, but I have played with them and they are so much fun. The nail stamping pads, I don't know, you get a plate that has a pattern indented into it, and you're supposed to put your nail varnish on, scrape off the excess so all that's left is what's in the indentations. Then you pick it up with one of these, they're actually domed on the top. You pick it up and then stamp it onto your nail that's already been varnished with a different colour, and it leaves the pattern on your nail. And I thought, well, if it can do that, then surely you should be able to monoprint with them. They're like miniature little gel plates. One's about 4 centimetres and one's 2. And they are really, really fun to play with. Little die cut flowers, put it down on paper and stamp over the top, stamping through weaves of material, parts of stencils, bits of die cuts. They're just really fun, and it builds it up very quickly. So what I did then was the white spaces in between, I just went over it with a wash of transparent ink that blended alright with it, contrasted with it. This, I'm using a thicker paint to, I'm sorry about my camera keep going blurry. I'm using a thicker paint so they're more dense, and so you see them better, because these are going to be the flowers. Now I only did a small but part of it with the wash, the yellow and pink wash, and because I did some more stamping off here, I right liked it, and I noticed that one side was primarily green and one side wasn't, so I did a couple of extra stamps and then carried on across to make it into a double bag spread, because it's obviously for cat hands, mixed media, snack bags. Thank you, Mick. Yeah, my camera's going dodgy again. I'm really sorry. The thing is, I don't know anything about it, and white balance keeps on going and all sorts, and I basically, every time Mick comes, I'm giving him and saying, what's wrong with it? Sort it out for me. But there is something wrong with focus. I'm always at this height, but it just keeps going blurry. I think it's on its last legs. As you can see, blurry again, but we thought we'd leave a bit of this in because it's just doodling, but it gives you an idea of what I did do. Right, I've stuck it down to my bag. They are bags. I might tell you about the bags at a later video. The bags, they don't have the big bottom bit like Kat's does that she makes the fold outs. They have side gussets but not the bottom plate, if you will. But I have found something else to make tri-fold ones, so that it'd be like a flip out. So there you go. The green bits are a post-it note, pre-used post-it note. The paper was, I think on the reverse side of the paper was Mick had printed off a load of sayings for me, and it's one in different fonts, and it's the fonts that I didn't pick. I think it might have been for the time one. Yeah, I thought with this being circles and with them gel plate things being cute little circles, I thought I'd sort of kill two birds with one stone, and hopefully if somebody will please share it on Kat's Facebook site thing, it'd be, what the heck was that? Sorry. Cheesy transitions that he's into at the moment. Yeah, I thought it would get to more people, so if anybody's thinking, do I want a gel press plate, but they're like 30 odd pounds, sorry, that would probably be about $44. No? What? 42? 30 quid How many dollars is that? 37. Yeah, I just thought the small one I think was about £1, and the bigger one was probably, it won't have been more than £2. If you need any help finding them, just give us a shout, and I'll get Mick to, I don't know. What are you doing? Sorry, Mick's being a wally.
Elephant.
You've been an elephant. He's been an elephant apparently. I'm gonna ask for a bun. That joke won't go down right well over internet. It's more visual, isn't it? Right, so please, if anybody could, and I've missed out all what I were doing, but it's pretty self-explanatory, I suppose. Yeah, if somebody could share it, I thought it'd get to more people, to give them at least a play with something that's very, 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 very similar to a gel plate. You can do all the things that you can do that I've ever done on a gel plate, and it works. So yeah, for very, very cheap. And if you look for auction ones, then they're even cheaper, because that's what I did. They were really cheap. Here, what I've done is I've put highlights on the stems, and then I went in with grey, and obviously green and whatnot. And here, what I'm doing is I'm colorating the left hand side a lot more than the right hand side. I'm not doing anything really to the right hand side of flowers. I'm just deepening the colours on the left, and it acts as, so it looks like the light's coming from the right. And I think in a minute, I think I put more, do I put more grey? I think I put, yeah, I put more grey on the stems, just to make them pop. And there you can see I'm just comparing, because I only do the 4 on the left to start off with, and then I think I turned the camera off to do, yeah, here's me putting the grey in. I turned the camera off to do the ones on the right hand side, because you've just seen what I've done on the left hand side. If you could actually pay attention while I'm prattling away about all sorts of rubbish. Yeah, so there you go. Oh, it's not photos yet, is it? Is it photos yet? Oh, it's not photos yet. Oh, that's the difference in the stems. You can see the difference in the stems, what the shading actually does. And here I'm shading the background to make some of them go further away and some of them come more towards you. Just a right little bit at the bottom, and it makes a big difference. I think this is just the start of me doing the ones on the right, and then it fades out, and then here's the gallery. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it. I hope it gives anybody ideas. And these nail stamping plates, oh, you can get little not square, little rectangle shaped ones, but I haven't actually seen any rectangle ones at the moment in clear. They're only in coloured. I think I got a pink one, but I've lost it somewhere. I don't know where it is. They domed on one side, flat on the other side, and I'm going to try chopping the dome bit off to see if you can cut them straight, but I'm going to do a couple of other things with them, so you'll see them again. So yeah, if you could please make an effort to share this video, get it out to more people, get the idea to more people. It's a brilliant opportunity to try, as I say, the closest thing to a gel plate that I've come across. I have come across other things which will be in further videos, but hope you're all well, and thanks for watching, and you take care. Bye. Say goodbye. Bye bye.